Hi, I'm Ana Lopez, and I'm one of the counselors here at Saya. And it has been my passion to help, to be able to be part of how people navigate their psychological well-being and to be able to be more productive in their daily routine. I always find it fulfilling to see people help themselves cope with those struggles that they encounter in life. Let's not rush things. Okay? We're here to help you, to guide you. So just take your time, think of the things that you are feeling right now, and let us guide you along the way how we can make this conversation productive. So oftentimes I start the session by asking, how are you feeling today? I give you time to share and talk, to really give or identify those things that we need to address to guide you to have a productive session along the way. In our session, I'll give you enough time to talk and share those things that you have in your mind right now. I will help you to analyze and identify which of those is your priority and for us to work together, matulungan kita to come up with those strategies that would help you understand and to have a wider perspective on how you're going to be more productive, to be back on your track, and be back on your routine. Try to assess yourself, give yourself time to think, is this already bothering me? Is this already affecting my daily routine? Hindi na ba ako nakakapag-perform ng maayos sa araw-araw? Then from that, take that as one thing na tulungan ang sarili mo. Be kind to yourself. Don't hesitate to ask for help. That's already one big step for you to answer that question. Just always remember to be kind for yourself, and it's okay to ask for help.